Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Torrentio on Stremio, right? So first of all, you have to download Stremio in your device. So just go to Google, search for download Stremio, click on this download section, click on Stremio, right? If you're using a Mac or basically Linux, then you can just click on different links. And once you click here, the setup will get downloaded. Now here you have to open the setup here. Now it's installing, so you have to just wait till it get installed. Now you have to click on finish and Stremio will get started in your device as you can see here. Now you have to click on allow and basically you have to log in or sign up into your Stremio. Once it gets started, you have to do nothing. You have to again go to your browser, go to Google and search for Torrentio. Now you will get this first link here, click on it, and now you have to select, for example, I just want the 4K, right? And I will just click on install. Now here you will get a notification and you have to click on open Stremio. Now here automatically in the Stremio you will get this option. So basically you have to click on install. Now, as you can see here, my Torrentio has been installed. Now you have to restart your laptop or PC to use this properly. Now, if you just on the left side, if you just go and click on add-ons and now go and select your my add-ons and scroll to the bottom, you will find that Torrentino has been installed in your Stremio. Now you can use it and do anything whatever you want to do. Now it's real easy, and here you can just select each and everything and you can use your Torrentio, right? You can just download, you can stream your whatever you want to do it over this platform. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.